Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how I got this beautiful brown eye look using the one and only Modern Renaissance palette. This palette is the only palette that I use to create this beautiful eye look, so it is super simple and doesn't take much. If you don't have the Modern Renaissance palette, you can easily substitute with another dark brown and kind of beigey orangey shade as well. So it is super simple to recreate and really easy to achieve. So I hope you guys like it, and if you'd like to see how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I did already finish all of my face makeup, and then I also went ahead and did one eye as well. So I will be doing the other eye for you guys. So I am going in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and that is the only palette that I used to create this look. So the first color that I'm going to go into is Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to be using my NYX 17 blending brush. And I just want to put this into the crease. Just making sure that I get that blended in the crease so everything is seamless. Now going in with Cyprus Umber, I'm just going to be taking a flat eyeshadow brush. I don't even know what one this is. And I'm just going to start on the outer portion of my lid and start packing that brown on. I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush and the Raw Sienna and just back into the crease. You just want to constantly be blending as you add other colors, just to make sure everything is blended out really nicely and you don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. And now with the same blending brush, I'm going to be taking the Cyprus Umber again, and I'm just going to be taking a tiny bit, and I'm just going to put that into the outer portion of my crease. Just a very small amount. Now back in with that flat eyeshadow brush and still the dark brown shade. I'm just going to add a little bit more to the lid. Back with my blending brush and the dark brown, I'm just going to add a little bit more into the crease just to help transition the lid into the crease. Back in with Raw Sienna on the same blending brush and just back into the crease. Alright, and now taking a different flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be going into Primavera, if that's even how you pronounce it. I'm just going to go with it. And I'm just going to put this right in the center of my lid. And I just want to build up that really pretty gold. Now I'm just going to be taking my finger and then going back in with my blending brush. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking raw sienna again. Just right on the lower lash line. And then cyprus umber right over top. Going in with a bit of a fluffier brush just to blend it out a little bit. And to highlight my brow bone a little bit, I'm going to be taking tempera and just putting that right under my brow. And now for lashes, I'm going to be using my wispy lashes from Ardell. I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs mascara while I wait for my lash glue to get tacky. For an inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking Primavera again. I'm just putting that right on the inner corner. The only shadows